This individual was compensated more than $50,000. This individual has paid out $90,000. And this individual has amassed a fortune of over $87,000. All of these payments have been made by folks who've already made more money than we have shown you just by implementing our method today. We're going to show you today's method and it'll be the reason you start making so much money. But don't worry, we won't ask you to pay anything or invest anything because I understand you'd ask the same question if you were offered this much money. However, we assure you that this has nothing to do with you, including cashing out any money. You'll not be required to be a professional at anything. This is fantastic since everyone can do it, and regardless of where you are, you may still participate in today's technique and earn in the manner that we promised. Unfortunately, this isn't a long-term revenue source, but it can help you get through tough times or when you're in hard times and need cash. This is the ideal quick solution for you. So make sure you watch the full video from beginning to end. To not be perplexed by today's method, make sure you don't skip any sections so you don't miss anything important. Because if you overlook essential details, you're unlikely to achieve your desired goals. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. Now go to amazon.com/kindle/ebooks and you should be directed to this page. Obviously, you've arrived at the Kindle ebook sector, and this is the website that will be the one to pay us money. As most of you are probably aware, Amazon is one of the most popular online buying websites in the world today. It's ranked number 12 in the entire globe on a similar web, with 2.46 billion visitors. Basically, Amazon is massive, and you must be living under a rock if you're unaware of this or anything else about Amazon. Amazon's Kindle is currently mostly used to sell ebooks. Also, some people pay to acquire ebooks on a daily basis on this site. Our procedure for today is really simple. Therefore, today's video will be brief and to the point, as it should always be. It's actually as simple as that. You upload your book and then get paid. The unanswered question is, where can we obtain the free ebooks? And we'll get to that later, so just stay with us. Please take a peek at some of the ebooks on this site and see how much they're selling for. So $1, $2, $14 and so on would represent your earning potential. The beautiful thing about this is that you may upload as many books as you like to earn as much money as possible. Basically, many people are making a lot of money merely by using this strategy, and you will be one of them today. Sorry, but you're going to be one of those folks who earn $10,000. To get started, you'll obviously need an ebook, which is exactly what we're going to show you today. So make sure you pay great attention and don't miss a single detail, because failing to do so would almost certainly prevent you from being successful and earning in the manner that we promised. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. Let's start by going over the Amazon sign-up process. To do so, open a new tab and type in kdp.amazon.com, which should get you to this page. As you can see, self-published ebooks and paperbacks for free with Kindle Direct Publishing and reach millions of readers on Amazon. You can get to market quickly because publishing takes less than 5 minutes, and your book is available in Kindle stores all over the world within 24 to 48 hours. You can earn up to 70% royalty on sales to consumers in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Germany, India, France, Italy, Spain, Japan, Brazil, Mexico, and Australia, among other countries. Enroll in KDP and choose to earn additional money from Kindle Unlimited and the lending library for Kindle owners. You can also keep your rights under your hands and set your own list prices. You have complete control over your books and you can make modifications at any moment. As a result, publish both digitally and in print. On KDP, you may publish Kindle ebooks and paperbacks for free. KDP allows you to self-publish for free. Now, on the right side of your screen, click the sign up button and then fill in whatever they're asking for. Fill in your name, email, and password twice. Then click Create KDP Account. Then, to confirm that you're human, you'll be asked to solve a basic challenge similar to a CAPTCHA. And boom! You've got yourself a user account. However, you must first validate your email address. So, check for an email similar to this one and copy the code. After that, you'll enter your second cell phone number and double check. After that, you got a KDP account and can start making money. That was incredibly quick and easy, and it required hardly any energy at all. We'll now move on to the stage where we create our own ebooks. So, let's go to buyqualityplr.com, which should lead you to this page. This is the platform where you will purchase your ebooks and sell them on Amazon. You can get more than just ebooks on this site because it mostly sells digital content such as articles, videos, and games. They sell ebooks for $10 here, which you can then sell on Amazon and make a lot of money. You may be disappointed to learn that you will not be able to obtain these publications for free. But here's the thing, there are websites that give away free ebooks, but they're overused. I'd gladly provide it to you, but if you use those free ebooks, you might not generate any sales, and all of your hard work would be for nothing. So, most likely, you're not going to make any money from them, which is why we chose this website, because the ebooks sold here provide you a better possibility of recouping your $10. You can also make $1,000 extra if your odds are good enough, and you don't have to do anything. So, at the very least, give it a shot. Nonetheless, this website does provide free ebooks. To obtain them, simply hover over Free PLR and select Free PLR ebooks. After that, it'll show you all of the free ebooks which you can download, publish on Amazon, and earn up to $100,000 without doing anything. There is virtually no effort involved, and if you make enough money from the overused free PLR ebooks, you may be able to afford the paying PLR ebooks, and by selling on Amazon, you may even make more sales, and that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.